So we'll begin to practice the liquid penetrant test. This test is being used because of its advantages that can be used to inspect a surface discontinuity. So we got some equipment here to be used, such as the cleaner or remover to remove dust and such things like that. Next we got the developer. Developer is used so that there is a contrast between the penetrant and the developer. So we can see the color that indicates any discontinuity in the surface. Okay, so we begin by spraying the cleaning substances to the material. Don't forget the clothes to be used to clean the material. Okay, so first we spray the cleaner. It doesn't matter if we don't spray it in one direction or two directions, because we are just spraying the cleaner. So after we spray it, we wait sometimes and we wipe it off. Anyways. Okay. So we have wait for about 3 minutes. Now we can go on to spray on the penetrant so that we can give off a clear color, distinct color to the surface of the material we need to inspect. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, in order to measure the discontinuity, we need light of a minimum of 93 feet candle, and what we got here is about 129 feet candle. So this test should be approved by the standards of the light. Okay. Next, what we are doing here is to clean the penetrant that has been sprayed 10 minutes ago. So we clean it. Okay. After the cleaning is done, we spray off. Okay. After we wipe off all the visible penetrant, we should clean it once again with the cleaner that has been sprayed on the clothes. The reason for this is so that we don't get all of the penetrant off the surface. And by the way, we are inspecting the weld metal part, so the base metal part don't get cleaned, and that doesn't matter because we don't inspect that part of the metal. So now we have to wait until it gets really dry, like 3 minutes or so. After the penetrant has been cleanly dried off, we should spray the developer into the surface of the metal we're inspecting. So now wait sometimes until clear discontinuity shows up the surface. Okay, after we wait sometimes for the developer to be absorbed into the surface of the metal we're inspecting, we can clearly see some red part of the white part of the metals. You can see clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 red dots on the metal surface here. So now, for the inspection to be finished, we need to measure this discontinuity, whether it's accepted by the standard or not, using some kind of measurement. We are not doing that in this video because we are just showing you the steps of how it's done, not thoroughly show how it's done. Okay, the advantages of this test is it's actually easy to apply, and we can clearly see any discontinuity that shows off the surface from the metal we're inspecting. See, we can clearly see the discontinuity here, discontinuity here. Okay, so now we will do the cleaning, or the last part of the test. Basically, it's just cleaning the penetrant of the metal. So the disadvantages of this test includes that it cannot detect any subsurfaces discontinuities, which means it's really good at showing you the discontinuity at the surface. It's really good. I mean, it's visually inspectable. And there we have it, the trade-off between the advantage and the disadvantage of this test. We can inspect the surface so clearly, so easily, but on the other hand, we cannot detect any subsurface or what is going on inside this metal. What's the discontinuity there inside this? Yes, that's all from us. Thank you very much for watching, and see you later.